Today we have a rare opportunity of touring a Zara floor plan here at Astor Creek. These are never listed as inventory homes. Just to show you how rare they are, if you want a Zara floor plan, you typically have to build them from scratch from the ground up. But today we have a brand new move-in ready Zara floor plan listed at just under 1.6 million, which is a truly rare find here at Astor Creek, and I'm excited to show it to you. This Zara floor plan has the contemporary elevation, and due to some structural upgrades that were chosen for this home sits at 4,368 square feet. This is a 4-bed with 4.5 baths, a club room, and a 4-car garage. This home is truly special, and I can't wait to show it to you. And something that I really love about this home is the location. You are on Homesite 19, where you are just a short walking distance to the clubhouse, which will be ready of July this year. And you also have hole 9 of the Astor Creek golf course right in your backyard for a beautiful, stunning view on the lanai, which I can't wait to show you as well. So let's get inside and check this out. And in this beautiful Zara, we are starting in the great room, which is really your hub for this home, where the house is built completely around it. And in this area, you will see that we have the golf course in the backyard, and then a structural upgrade that was made to the Zara floor plan is the 4-foot rear extension, making the club room, the lanai, and the owner's suite 4 feet longer. So now we're going to be heading into that owner's suite to check out this massive master bedroom. And with that 4-foot extension, that makes this massive owner's suite 21 feet long by 17 feet wide, making it truly massive, and you really feel the space in this bedroom. And of course, you get the beautiful view of the 9th hole in the backyard. And then we also lead into this master bathroom. This bathroom is truly beautiful and massive. We have the his and hers sinks. We have the giant glass enclosed shower with the double showers and double entrances. And an extra upgrade that the owners made to this home is that they went with the Toto intelligent toilet, which I almost sprayed myself just trying to open it, so I'm gonna leave that closed for now. But it does come with its own bidet, which I know people have been crazing for over the last few years. And then we lead into this giant walk-in closet, borderline a walk-in room. This is the largest closet I've ever been in, and it comes with its own island with extra storage and display space. This is truly beautiful. But where this room and this floor plan gets a little bit wonkier, a little bit different, is behind this door. So the structural upgrade that was made to this home coming through the master closet is the quote unquote snore room, which is an option that Kolter Homes offers. So this is the 4th bedroom. However, they went with the snore room option, which all that does, that connects the walk-in closet to this room. I didn't realize snore room was a thing growing up, but I definitely see the purpose of it, and I'm sure some happy couple is going to make great use of this room. If you're someone that doesn't want to use this as a snore room, this would still work well as a guest ensuite or an office or even a nursery. The main difference structurally for this room is that as a snore room, there's one less window, so it's just a little bit darker in here, but you still have your own bathroom and a walk-in closet. And now that we are done showcasing the owner's wing of this house, we're now gonna move into the rest of the house, where one of the structural upgrades that was made to this property is the wet room inside of the great room. And now we're showcasing this beautiful show-stopping kitchen, where they went all out with the black cabinetry and the white, thick, giant island. This is quartz countertop with the white quartz and the black throughout to really tie in all of these whites and blacks. It's very sleek and beautiful with the underlight glows, the 5-top induction stovetop, just truly, truly beautiful. And they also have this massive walk-in pantry. Don't worry, that cabinet will be replaced before you move into the property. This truly is an absolute showstopper of a kitchen. And now leaving the kitchen, down this hallway, on our right, we have the first room, and this is the laundry room with the washer and dryer on stilts. And I know these stilts are very important to have. And across from that laundry room, you've got the powder room. And then down this hallway, we have our final 2 bedrooms with their own bathrooms and walk-in closets. And that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed touring this beautiful Zara floor plan. If you are interested in this home, you can contact me for any questions you have or scheduling a tour. And I'm constantly putting out content like this on my channel about Port St. Lucie and the real estate in Port St. Lucie. So if you're moving to this area, I would love to be your real estate resource of choice. You can contact me by going to the contact link in the description below, or you can shoot me an email directly to get the process started. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and have a great rest of your day.